The Novo account, speedy deposits, or snail mail escapades? Ever stare at your phone, waiting for that crucial deposit to hit your Novo account? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, waiting for funds can be a real drag. So, how long does a Novo deposit actually take? Buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the world of Novo deposit times and clear up any confusion. Now, Novo offers a couple of different ways to get money in your account. There are mobile check deposits, the classic ACH transfers, and even the good old-fashioned mail check option. But before we explore the nitty-gritty of each method, let's address a common question: are Novo deposits generally fast? The answer, like most things in life, depends. Novo boasts itself as a modern bank built for the digital age, and that often translates to speedy transactions. But different deposit methods have different processing times. So, let's break it down one by one. Mobile check deposits, your speedy money superhero. We live in a world of instant gratification, and Novo's mobile check deposit feature reflects that. Here's the exciting news: mobile check deposits with Novo can be shockingly fast. We're talking minutes, folks. Imagine this: you're at the store, just scored a sweet deal on that new gadget you've been eyeing. You whip out your phone, snap a quick picture of the check with the Novo app, and bam! The funds are reflected in your account within minutes, ready to be spent on your newfound treasure. Pretty neat, right? However, there's a slight catch: a holding period. Novo places a standard 1 to 4 business day hold on mobile deposits. This means you might see the funds initially appear in your available balance, but they won't be fully accessible for spending until the hold clears. It's like a security measure to ensure the check is legit. The ACH transfer, a reliable but not instant option. ACH transfers, also known as electronic transfers, are another popular deposit method. Here's the deal: you initiate a transfer from another bank account, pulling funds into your Novo account. While not as speedy as mobile deposits, ACH transfers are still fairly quick. Typically, they take 1 business day to process, with the funds appearing in your Novo account by the next working day. But hey, 1 business day is still a whole lot faster than waiting for a snail mail check to arrive. There's also a small caveat to consider: some ACH transfers might be subject to an additional 2-day holding period. This usually happens if the transfer is initiated from a new or unverified account. Just a heads up to avoid any surprises. The mail check, the old school champ, but slow on the draw. Let's face it, mail checks are becoming a relic of the past. But for those who still prefer the traditional route, Novo offers the option to mail in a check for deposit. However, this method comes with the slowest processing time. Here's the reality: it can take up to 10 business days for the mail check to reach Novo and be processed. Then, on top of that, there's another 1 to 2 business day hold while Novo verifies the check's legitimacy. So, you're looking at a potential wait of up to 12 business days, a significant delay compared to the other methods. So, how do you speed up your Novo deposit? Alright, let's be honest. Nobody enjoys waiting for money. Here are a few tips to potentially expedite your Novo deposit. Mobile deposit champion: whenever possible, prioritize mobile check deposits. They're by far the fastest option. Plan your transfers. For ACH transfers, initiate them early in the week to avoid weekend delays. Be wary of mail checks. Unless absolutely necessary, avoid mail checks due to their lengthy processing times. The final takeaway: Novo deposits can be speedy or slow, depending on the chosen method. Mobile deposits reign supreme in terms of speed, followed by ACH transfers. Mail checks take the longest route. So, next time you're looking to add funds to your Novo account, choose the method that best suits your needs and timeline. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.